Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geography Group. This is the third episode of class 10th economics chapter number 2 sectors of Indian economy. In the previous episodes we discussed about what is an economic activity, how it is different from non-economic activities, and we also classified all the economic activities into three sectors: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. In the previous episode we discussed the most important part of this chapter. We discussed what is a GDP and how it is calculated. In the third episode we are going to discuss about the historical change in the places or the portion of these three sectors, and then we will try to find out what are the reasons behind these, and in the end we will discuss the share of all these three sectors in GDP as well as in employment. Let's begin. Historical changes in sectors. So historical changes took place in the portion of the sectors. In the beginning, in the initial stages of development, primary sector was the most important sector of economic activities in our country. Not only in our country, in any country, the most important sector in the initial stage was primary sector. With the innovation in farming methods, agriculture sectors began to produce much more food than before during the 16th, 17th and 18th centuries. So, till the 18th centuries, the most important sector was the primary sector. But after the industrial revolution, people started working in industries, and some people also get involved in transportation. So after the industrial revolution, secondary sector became the most important one. Gradually, the secondary sector became the most important sector in economy and providing employment. Different industries related to the food processing, equipments making, textile coming in large numbers, and this lead to start the services such as the banking, health and education. So after the growth of the primary sector and secondary sector, there were the more demands of the services such as the banking, health, education, etc., and this led to the development of service sector or the tertiary sector. The service sector became the most important one during the end of the 20th century and in the beginning of the 21st century in most of the countries. So now at present the most important sector as per the share in the GDP is the tertiary sector. So there is a historical change in the shift or in the portion of these three sectors. Earlier the most important was the primary sector. After the industrial revolution, the most important sector became the secondary sector. But after the development of the growth of the primary and secondary sector, gradually there were the demands of many services increased, and that led to the development of service sector. So at present the most important sector is the service sector. So we have discussed how the shift in the portion of these sectors took place in the past. Now let's discuss or compare these three sectors on the basis of their contribution in GDP. In the period of 1973-74, the primary sector has contributed maximum to the GDP in 1973-74, and at present too the maximum contribution in GDP is of service sector. So in 1973 the maximum contribution in the GDP was of primary sector, but now the maximum contribution in GDP is of the third sector or the tertiary or the service sector. Let's try to understand this one with the help of the diagram. कुछ डेटा है यहाँ पे 1950 के हैं और 2010 के हैं. In 1950 the contribution of agriculture sector or the primary sector in the GDP was more than 50%. Of service sector it was near about 30%, and of industrial sector it was less than 20%. Now in 2010, the contribution of service sector in GDP was 60%, near about 60%, the most important one, and service sector that is on the top one, and the agriculture sector or the primary sector that was on the top in 1950, now it is at the bottom with 14% share in GDP. On the second position it is the industrial sector with 27% share in the GDP. So हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि GDP में कंट्रीब्यूशन की बात करें तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सेक्टर है वो सर्विस सेक्टर है. In 1973 it was the agriculture sector that was on the top, वो पहले पोजीशन पे था, अब वो लास्ट पोजीशन पे है। अब ऐसा क्यों हुआ, लेट्स फाइंड आउट। फैक्टर्स बिहाइंड द शिफ्ट इन कंट्रीब्यूशन इन जीडीपी की अगर हम बात करें, द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर लीड्स टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सर्विसेज सच एज द ट्रांसपोर्ट, ट्रेड, स्टोरेज एंड बैंकिंग। एज the development took place in the agriculture and secondary sector, it leads to the demand of many services। ट्रांसपोर्ट की डिमांड बढ़ी, ट्रेड ज़्यादा डेवलप हुआ, स्टोरेज की डिमांड बढ़ी, बैंकिंग की डिमांड बढ़ी, और ये सब कुछ किस में आते हैं, ये सब कुछ आते हैं सर्विस सेक्टर में। सो द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सर्विस सेक्टर मेनली डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी सेक्टर। जितने डेवलप होंगे प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, उतनी ही ज़्यादा डिमांड बढ़ेगी। सो the main cause behind the shift in the contribution in GDP was the development of agriculture and the secondary sector, and that led to the demand of the services such as the transport, trade, storage, banking, health facilities, medical facilities, education facilities, etc. And all these are the part of the tertiary sector. So the greater the development of the primary and secondary sector, more would be the demand of such services of टर्शियरी सेक्टर। तो हमने समझा कि कैसे, क्या कारण रहे कि सर्विस सेक्टर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया। तो इसके पीछे मेन जो रीज़न है वो ये है कि प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी सेक्टर है उनमें डेवलपमेंट हुआ, और जिसके कारण कुछ सर्विसेज की डिमांड है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ी, एंड ऑल दीज सर्विसेज आर द पार्ट ऑफ द टर्शियरी सेक्टर। नाउ लेट्स डू डिस्कस अबाउट द शेयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थ्री सेक्टर्स इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट, कि लोग कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, वेयर आर द मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल एम्प्लॉयड। Employment percentage during the period of 1972-3, 74% people of India were engaged in primary sector, while only 15% people were involved in the tertiary sector in 1972-3 में। सबसे important sector था primary sector। At that time, on the basis of the GDP too, the primary sector was the most important one। तो क्या प्राइमरी सेक्टर है वो पीछे हो गए, तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट में भी क्या सबसे ज़्यादा लोग सर्विस सेक्टर में लगे? चलिए देखते हैं क्या ऐसा है या नहीं। अकॉर्डिंग टू द 2013-14 डेटा, द परसेंटेज ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ टर्शियरी सेक्टर इन जीडीपी ऑफ द कंट्री इंक्रीज्ड एंड रीच्ड टू 67%। 2013-14 की बात करें तो जीडीपी में जो शेयर है टर्शियरी सेक्टर का वो 67% है। द प्राइमरी सेक्टर रिड्यूस टू ओनली 12%, and the primary sector continues to be the largest employed during this period। लेकिन अगर हम employment की बात करें at present too, the largest employer sector is the primary sector। Near about 55% people are engaged in the primary sector, near about 30% people are engaged in the secondary sector, and only the 15% people are engaged in the tertiary sector। यानी employment में कोई चेंज नहीं आया, या फिर ग्रेजुअल थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हुआ है। सो इन दिस सेशन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द हिस्टोरिकल चेंज इन द पोर्शन ऑफ द सेक्टर, एंड देन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ऑल द थ्री सेक्टर्स इन जीडीपी एज वेल एज इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट। So that's all in this episode. Bye bye. Have a nice day.